Hey guys, so tomorrow I'm going to Nashville for the weekend to visit my friends and see everybody, and I thought I would show you what I'm packing for a really short trip, trying to do it as low waste as possible and minimal. So I'm just going to show you what I'm packing because I'm only going to be gone for 3 days. So I leave Thursday night and I get in really late, and then I leave really early Monday morning. So 3 full days and then like travel time. So I'm not bringing a carry-on because I didn't want to pay $35 each way for that, because that's stupid. So I'm just gonna bring my backpack, and I'm only there for 3 days, so you don't need a lot. And then I'm also gonna sneak my purse on because so first I'll just show you what's in my purse. So this is a vegan leather purse. It is by Urban Originals. I really love their bag. Their vegan purses just look really nice and I like the style of it. So in here I have my phone, my wallet, and I have a shopping bag that compacts really small, and like a little cloth bag, just so I can go as low waste as possible. And if I want to like get something or go grocery shopping, I have bags with me. And then I just have hand sanitizer and chapstick. So that's what's in that. So first let me just show you what I'm wearing on the plane. So since I'm leaving at like 8:30 I think is my flight, I thought I would just wear something that I can wear for another day on the trip, since it'll only be like a few hours in the plane ride. First I just have my boots. These are my vegan, ethically sourced leather boots from Will's Vegan Shoes. I find them to be like the best shoes ever. I have like 3 pairs of their shoes and I love every pair of them. Next, I'm just gonna wear my green sweater because it's nice and comfy and it's wintertime and it's cold. So I'm gonna wear this, and then a pair of black jeans that I'm just gonna be wearing for the whole trip. Because I'm only there for 3 days, there's no point in bringing 2 pairs of pants. Jeans you can wear over and over, and I just don't care enough. So in my backpack, I'm bringing my water bottle, because reusable water bottles, you gotta stay hydrated. In this front little pocket, I have my charger, my headphones, and then I have my glasses because I wear contacts, but I don't like wearing them all the time, and also it's just smart to bring backups. So I have my glasses with me. Next, I have my little toiletries bag. So this just has like a few little things of makeup, my moisturizer, toothpaste, lotion. What else do I have in here? I have my serum, I have tea tree oil, you know, just little things that I need. And let me be real, I know you guys are gonna be like, that's not zero waste stuff because you can see containers, but I'm not fully zero waste yet because I'm trying to use up all of my products that I've had for a while, and I'm trying to get rid of them all so then I can switch fully to zero waste lifestyle. But you have to use up everything that you have before you do that, and it's kind of hard because these things last a long time. Like, things last a while, so it's gonna take me a while. So I'm using all of that up. And I have this. So this holds my underwear, my socks, and what I also fit in here is my deodorant. This is Primal Pit Paste. And then I have my cleanser. It's a Dr. Bronner's unscented soap bar, and I use that as a cleanser for my face because it's not harsh and it's like really easy and it cleans. So that's what I have in here. And I put it all in my sock and underwear bag because you gotta make use of space. That's a big thing, make use of space. Then I have my hairbrush. I brought reusable utensils just in case I'm going out somewhere and I need to eat or I need them. It's just smart to have, and they barely take up any room. Then I have the book I'm currently reading because I don't wanna just like sit on my phone the whole time. So, and then I have my toothbrush. This is the one thing that I can't change to zero waste. So I used to have another Sonicare because my mom's an orthodontist assistant, so she gave me one and I had it for a million years. Like, I had it for so long, and then it broke finally because it fell and it broke. That was really sad. But I tried using a bamboo toothbrush, and for some reason it just like did not clean my teeth properly. Having an orthodontist assistant as a mom, teeth is such a big thing in your life. It's like so ingrained into your brain, and when my teeth did not feel clean and they felt gross, I couldn't use that toothbrush anymore, so I had to purchase another Sonicare. I don't regret it. And then I have my iPad, and then lastly is my clothes. So I'm bringing a pair of black leggings to sleep in and to whatever if I need them, but it's just also just to sleep in. And then I have one long sleeve crop t-shirt and then another long sleeve t-shirt. So I'm only there for 3 days, so I'm wearing my sweater and then these 2 long sleeves I will have. Yeah, that's like all I'm bringing. I'm not bringing much at all because I'm only gone for 3 days and you don't need a lot. This is all I'm bringing with me on my flight, on my weekend trip. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you in some sort of way for traveling, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I need to pack this all up again. Life is hard.